Hey, fifth grade, we're on workbook page 203. It's going to be a really brief workbook lesson today, but excuse me, but that's just to review all of our multiplying fractions. And number 8, we're doing numbers 8, 9, and 10 this morning. We have 5/6 times 2/5. You're going to multiply straight across. You end up with 10/30ths, and then you have to simplify. You know me, I enjoy cross canceling as much as I can right away. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Those are ones. 2 and 6 are even. So for sure I can divide them by 2. That's a 1. That's a 3. So whether you end up with 10/30ths or cross cancel to get as simple as you can, you end up with 1/3 at the end. Okay. 3/8 times 3/7. 3 and 7, you can't simplify it all. You can divide this by 3, that by 7, but not the opposite one. 8 and 3, 3 is prime, so you can only divide it by 3, and you can't divide 8 by 3. So that doesn't work. We have to just multiply straight across here, and it's 9/56. Now, just a heads up, I'm noticing that some of you are trying to do this, and you're like, oh, 9 divided by 9 is 1. I can't divide 56 by 9. I'm just going to leave it as is. This is not the same thing, okay? So the reason we simplify fractions is because it's really the same fraction. So 10 out of 30 is 1/3, okay? 9 out of 56 is not the same as 1/56. So you cannot get away with that, okay? So I'm glad you're noticing that you can divide a number by something, but if you can't do it with both, it does not work, okay? So just a heads up, just be aware of that. Number 10, 3/5 times 5/8. Cross cancel your 5s, they become 1s. You end up with 3/8. 8 you can divide by 4 and 2 and 8, but not the 3. The answer is 3/8. Okay, page 204, we're going to zip down to number 12. Let's see here. Let me clear this and maybe make that a little smaller so we can see the whole problem. Okay. Number 12, use the square to find the area of the rectangle shown. So we've got 5/8 and 3/4. How do we solve area with fractions on the rectangle? Well, 5/8 of means multiply. 3/4, I don't think we can cross cancel at all. So we've got 15 over 32. Don't forget to label. It's feet and it's the area. Oh dear, sorry. It's 15 30 feet squared. Let's see, the 15 we can divide by 5, we can divide by 3, but not the 32. We can simplify them separately, right, by different numbers, but not together with the same numbers. So that is as low as we can go there. And that's it for your workbook lesson.